We are updating how you edit product information for the products you add to your designs in ZOOMstudio. Currently, once you've added a product to your page, you can click on the edit icon and you'll be able to choose what information shows on the page versus what information shows in the sidebar. You can also click to edit any of these details. With the release coming May 22nd, this menu will be entirely revamped. Let's take a look. Now when you click on the edit icon, you'll see that this menu looks different. This change allows you to get a better visual of what information is showing on the page and in the sidebar. It also makes it a lot easier to edit. One big improvement we've made is how you can choose an alternative product color. You can see I have a drop down here of all the colors available for this specific duffel bag. All I need to do is simply choose the alternative color, which will update the product image and swatch. I can also easily change what image is showing on the page by choosing other images available for that item or uploading my own image, such as a virtual sample. Lastly, I can click on any of these toggles to turn on and off information. I can turn off pricing, turn off the product ID, and the color. I can change these as needed. With the sidebar, you can now also get a great visual of what information will show when somebody clicks on this product in your published design. You can choose which additional swatches should show in that sidebar, what images should show, if you want a price table or a single starting at price point. You can add and remove sizes if applicable for this item, and of course you can turn on and off any of these details. Lastly, you can edit any of the text fields associated with this product. I can change the name, ID, materials. I can edit and mark up pricing, edit the description, and even add a link for that specific product. With this update, editing product details should be easier than ever. If you have any questions or need any support, please feel free to reach out to us at support.zoomcatalog.com.